What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Curtis and you're back again with Curtis and Elena TV. So guys, today we got a special one for you guys. We're going to be watching Jimin's Talent Explosion. I know you've been waiting for it. It's been highly requested a few times by a few of our subscribers. So we got it here for you guys, and I hope you're excited because we about to get into the video. First off, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for me. Like the videos, comment on the videos. Let me know what you think of our reactions, guys. Go back and look at our other videos. We have a lot of videos, guys, for you guys to check out, okay? And also, before we get into the video, I want to say one thing. BTS, congratulations again on the VMA Awards. You guys took home 4 of them. Congratulations, guys. And also, let's get into the video. Master with that microphone.
This is very intimidating because they're all so incredible. They're such dedicated performers, and when it came to making this video, I decided that I wanted to do choreography with them. I've never done choreography in a dance video before, so it was something new for me, but they were so nice and encouraging to do it if I practice and put my mind to it.
Master with that microphone. Oh. That boy got that thing. Look at the karate. Taekwondo. It was amazing how talented, man. That's a signature move and boy would love. Yo, I'm having a Jimin overload right now, man. Bro, Jimin is so talented, bro. It's just crazy. All the BTS members are talented, man. But Jimin has that uniqueness about him, man. And that's what I like about BTS. All of them are unique. When it comes to Jin, J-Hope, Sugar, RM, V, Jimin. Bro, they are all unique in their own right, man. And it's funny how they are able to work with each other and they go around all those personalities, man, and still be able to perform at high levels, man. That's awesome. Jimin, boy, stretching, boy.
앞으로 먼저 다리를 와 시원하게 집도에서 점점 그렇게 해서 앞으로 엎드리기까지도 하잖아요 원래.
Jimin out here stretching on them boys. In boots, my guy. It's like they working out, huh? Unbothered. What? He set that up. He set that up. That's that ballet in him. That's that ballet in him. I see you out here, Jimmy. Did he just do a split? right there while they dancing in the choreography. Oh my god, mind blown. Yo, that's awesome right there, bro. That's awesome. God damn.
네, 그리고 이제 시작하잖아요. 그렇죠. 네, 전 세계 시작. 하나, 둘.
저기 최고의 기록으로 달려있는 거.
눈이.
밸런스. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
와우.
둘, 셋. 아이, 괜찮아. 오버했죠? 오버했죠?
They coming with the craziest games.
시작. 예.
That's like a game you'll play when you drunk.
어릴 때 무용을 해서
무용에서 그런 거예요? 무용에서 그런 거예요?
Crazy, bro. Ooh. The fact that he's just playing around, it's crazy, bro. I don't understand. He's playing around and he's doing this. He's playing around, joking. Yes, I can do it. I'm just do it anyway. Yeah, to be young. Oh, that was a good one. J-Ho, what? Don't get on Jimin bad side, boy. You come around the corner with that kick.
저 이거 먼저 타볼 겁니다. 예.
Oh yeah. That solo dance performance. It's the funniest part. Boy, you gaining on you. Okay, we know you got the snack tossed down pat. That's what they call it over there. We call it skip rock. What do they call it? Ducking. Oh, look at that. Bro, I gotta go back to that part, man. Look at the scenery. Yo, look at the mountains in the background. Yo, that look awesome, man. And it's crazy, bro. Oh, he made this shit. He made this thing curve. Is there anything he cannot do, bro? With the same leg at that. Oh! Bro, that's crazy awesome. Yo, looking at Jimin's talent explosion, man, it really shows how awesome he is as a person and how awesome he is, especially talent-wise, because I know he was a good dancer, but to be gifted in all those aspects, man, BTS, you guys are, I don't know where you found, they found you guys. The Lord must have opened up the gates and was like, hey, have these men and be fruitful, bro. Because the way that you guys are, the way you guys are so talented, man, is so awesome. I like that jump, bro. He always with that. Bro, this is a true Jimin dedication video. Bro, but that was Jimin's talent explosion reaction, guys. Thank you for recommending it. It was really, how can I say this? It was really intriguing and was really informative to see exactly how talented Jimin is. We're going to go on to look at some of the other BTS members' talents. So stay tuned for those videos, guys. Man, one thing I liked about, I liked the ball kicking when he was kicking the soccer ball 47 times. And also I liked also when he was doing the modern dance jump. That always gets me. Every time he does it in the video, man, it always gets me, man. But Jimin is a talented individual. Jimin is a wonderful, angelic, talented, special, funny, fun individual. And I love him, bro. And also, like I said, stay tuned for those other reaction videos to those other members' talents. Everybody gets a video. So, thank you for watching with us. This is Curtis and Elena TV. We out. Peace.